Welcome to my in-depth review of AccuFund, the accounting software designed specifically for nonprofits and government organizations. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this software, from its features to its usability, and my personal user experience. When you first access AccuFund, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that prioritizes ease of navigation. The software offers a wide array of tools, including fund accounting, payroll processing, budgeting, and grant management. These features are particularly useful for organizations managing complex financial data and ensuring compliance with specific regulatory requirements. AccuFund's Fund Accounting module is one of its standout features. It allows users to track multiple funds across different programs while maintaining detailed reporting for each. This is especially critical for nonprofits that need to adhere to strict grant and funding guidelines. The software also integrates seamlessly with other financial systems, saving time and reducing errors. Another highlight is the robust reporting capabilities. AccuFund offers customizable reports that can be tailored to meet the unique needs of your organization. The drag-and-drop report builder makes it simple to generate real-time insights, ensuring you have the information needed to make informed decisions. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These can help enhance your understanding of financial management tools, so be sure to check them out after watching. The payroll and HR modules in AccuFund are also worth noting. They provide comprehensive solutions for managing employee data, tracking hours, and processing payroll efficiently. Additionally, the budgeting module enables detailed planning, offering flexibility in managing both short-term and long-term financial goals. One area where AccuFund excels is its customer support. With responsive service and an extensive knowledge base, users can find solutions to common issues or receive help directly from experts. While there's a bit of a learning curve for some features, especially for those new to accounting software, the resources provided by AccuFund significantly ease this process. On the downside, the software can be cost-prohibitive for smaller organizations with limited budgets. Additionally, while the interface is user-friendly, some advanced features require time and training to fully master. Overall, AccuFund stands out as a versatile and powerful accounting solution tailored for its target audience. It's ideal for organizations seeking detailed fund management, strong reporting capabilities, and reliable customer support. If you're considering AccuFund for your nonprofit or government organization, I recommend giving it a closer look to see if it meets your specific needs. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights on the best tools and software for your organization. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.